everyone, welcome to Grower Kit. This is episode 12 of 2018. It is the 10th of April today. The weather's been really rubbish. It's been raining on and off for the past few days. So I've just been concentrating on getting stuff repotted and sorting stuff out. So I'm just going to give you a little update on all my seedlings. We'll have a chat about all the seedlings and stuff. So I'm going to make a start and I'll see you in a second. Alright guys, so these are my cucumbers. Market Morph 76. Sown on the 24th of January. So this is just a quick update on them. So I've taken the biggest and the smallest one. They're all doing well, but this is just shows how much difference there can be. They're both being treated exactly the same. They both got a cucumber, or one there. I'm not sure if I'm meant to do anything. I think they're self-fertile type thing. I'm not sure if I have to pollinate with the male flower, because we're indoors, there's no insects, so I might try and pollinate it anyway. I don't know if that's what you have to do, but yeah, so if anyone knows that'd be great. And this one's got a cucumber on it as well. We've had a couple of male flowers which opened up and closed up and they're dying off. So that's the cucumbers. This is the tomatoes. Golden Sunrise is the variety of these two. The one on the left is the biggest one I've got. It's looking healthy. So since I've taken off these bottom leaves, the little suckers are starting to come through, so they need pulling off when they get a bit bigger. This is the smallest one. This is the one which sprouted two seedlings, came out of one seed. So yeah, they're both doing well anyway. This one's really small, so I might need to snip it off at some point, but I might just leave it and see what happens. It's Lacey, come and say hello. What are you doing? Anyway guys, I'll get back to you, I'll show you something else in a second. Alright guys, so these are my chilies. These are hot chili peppers. These two on the left are cayenne, and this one here is a Carolina Reaper. So they're all doing well. They're all living in the conservatory at the moment. The nighttime temperatures drop a bit, so I think I don't know. They would be better if it was warmer, let's put it that way, but they're doing okay anyway. So I'll show you this one. This is the cayenne. He's doing well. Possibly a bud coming through there, can't quite see. Might just be more leaves. Yeah, it's a bit early for them, but we're probably going to be topping these, which is, we let it get a bit bigger and then we just pinch the top out, and that encourages the shoots to come out. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there is a shoot waiting to come up there in between the leaves. They're just the same as tomato suckers basically, but instead of pinching them off, we pinch the main growth off so that they come up and form sort of like a Y shape, so you can get more chilies on the plant. So yeah, this is the Carolina Reaper supposedly. I'm not sure if it is, because I got the seeds off of eBay. So, right, yeah, we'll find out anyway. So he's doing well as well. He's got some, I think this is cold damage, or maybe he needs a feed, but it is quite cold in here sometimes, so as soon as it starts warming up, these will really speed up growing. They're okay in these pots for now. They'll be alright in these for quite a while, as the chilies, they grow quite slowly to begin with. When they get bigger, you can put them in bigger pots, obviously, but yeah, they're fine in them for probably another few weeks. Yeah, that's the chilies. I'll show you something else in a second. Alright, so there's my onions. Elsa Craig is the variety. These are sown from seed. January, I think, the end of January. They seem to be doing okay. I did sow some more, but they ended up being rabbit food because I had far too many. So they're all doing quite well. I mean, they look okay anyway. Except for this one. I don't know what happened. Maybe when I must have damaged him when I was putting the support in. But I'll leave it there for a little while longer, see if it recovers. If not, it will get chucked or rabbit food. So some of them are way ahead of others. It's strange how it works. There's one over here which is doing really well. I'll just bring it down. Some of them, I suppose it's the same with every plant, but some do much better than others. Yep. Alright, so that's the onions. I'll show you something else in a second. This is tomato marmonde, sown on the 12th of February. So these are a bit behind the other ones, and I've just repotted these. They were all in one pot, all four of these. So I've repotted these on. They're doing okay. So these are my backup. Well, the marmonde I want to grow as well, but I've also sown some more golden sunrise on the same day as I sown them, 12th of February. So these are about a month behind my other tomatoes. So these were just a backup in case the other ones failed. So I've got another batch on the way. They're nice and healthy as well. The little specks you can see is just compost where I've repotted them. I did think earlier, I was like, what the earth is that on there? It's like some sort of little bugs, but they're not, it's just compost. So yep, they're doing well. Got some more little ones in there. These are golden sunrise as well. These were actually sown on the same day as these, but for some reason they're tiny. And one of these is tiny as well. I don't know why, but they all grow at different paces, I suppose. Right, anyway, I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright, so I just thought I'd show you my beetroot seedlings. So we sown two varieties about, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago. They all came up except for three, and then I re-sowed this one here. As you can see, there's like new seedlings coming up there. This one and this one, they're just starting to come up. Yeah, so one of them ones at the back here just flopped over, so I think it was starting to get something wrong with it, so I pulled it out and I'll put another seed in there. Yeah, so they're doing okay, I suppose. I think it gets a bit hot in here during the day when the sun's out, so they need to go outside really. We need to harden them off and get them out, I think. So I'll get back to you in a second. I'll show you something else. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. That's it for this episode. So I'll just give you a quick update on all these, on all my seedlings. I say everything's going well so far. We haven't had any major problems yet. So yeah, anyway, I hope you've subscribed to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the thumbs up, and any questions, any pointers for me, just drop me a comment down below. I'll see you on the next episode, everyone. Have a great day. See you later.